Good morning. Good morning. This is going to be a short tutorial on how to create new tracking documents for graduation requirements. This process may change in the future, but right now it's pretty set in stone how the process will work. First step you want to go ahead and do, you want to go to the graduation tracking folder and go ahead and right click on the grad tracking. You never want to enter any information into this file. All you always want to do is make a copy. So right click, make a copy. At this time you want to go ahead and rename the document. I'm going to right click again and hit rename. Now this would be the student's name, but this is just an example, so I'm going to put this as example Steve Smith 2022 and hit enter. Okay. At this time I can go ahead and drop it into the appropriate folder, and the way you do that is you just click and drag into that folder. Always hit OK. You're not going to lose access. Now I can go into that folder and I can see there I got a couple Steve Smiths, but I can example Steve Smith example. I'm going to click on that. Now I can go ahead and start entering in all the data. I'm just going to go ahead and put in Steve Smith here. First language is English. Okay. When we enter information in these columns here and here, we really do want to make sure to select from these listings of classes. We don't want to enter in unless we completely have to, because these are the names that will track against this type of information down here and go against the things here. So it's imperative that if we want to have new classes here, we need to update the master copy, which I can show you how to do at a later date. Once I enter information here, I want to go ahead and begin the sharing process. The first thing I want to do is I want to go to Share, and I want to go to Get Shareable Link. I want to get the Can Edit link, so I clicked right here, Can Edit, and then I'm going to copy link. You just hit a few times and copy. Now I want to go to the link compiler. This is a separate address that you have. I'm going to put in the student's name, Steve Smith. Graduation year is 22. Special program is none. Student's first language is English. And again, we can update all these things. This is a student is a distinguished scholar. And now we want the Can Edit link. Basically the link that we just got from right here. You can do Control V, paste it, and now we want the Can View link. Now I'll update this, but basically the Can View link is we have to go to File, Publish to Web. This will create a link that will be unable to be edited. So this is just the Publish to link, or Publish to the web. It automatically selects link. Hit Publish. OK. There's the link. Control C. It's already copied. And there you go. Now we're done. We can hit select another response. It's been put into the database. Now to kind of see our efforts, see our work here, I'm going to go ahead and refresh the admin portal. Takes a little while to load, and then there's our Steve Smith. And now from here, you never have to go back to this folder. You'll never have to go. If you just want to do a ton of these, and the only thing you do is put in just the bare minimum of information, Steve Smith, English. I mean, you don't even have to put English in, and just make these documents over and over again. You can then continuously access these documents from the admin portal. And if you want to edit these documents, you go ahead and click the admin link. Opens up a new window, and then there's our Steve Smith. And I'll show you how. And this is how student link looks. You can see it looks a little bit different because of the publishing of it. That this document here cannot be edited. It can simply be viewed. And this is the student link. So that's all you have to do for creating the documents, the MVA tracking documents. If you have any questions, just shoot me an email.